Welcome back to the channel, car enthusiasts. Today we'll take a deeper look at one of the most stylish and high-tech luxury SUVs of 2026, the Lexus NX. If you're looking for the perfect blend of performance, comfort, and futuristic design, you'll want to stay tuned because the new NX has a lot to offer. Starting from the front, the 2026 Lexus NX features a sleek, modern face that perfectly captures Lexus's new design direction. The familiar large spindle grille has been removed, replaced by a cleaner, more aerodynamic look that emphasizes refinement and precision. Sleek LED headlights pierce the air, while a subtle chrome strip that stretches across the front fascia lends a futuristic feel. The look is bold, yet elegant, a car that not only exudes luxury, but also exudes it with confidence. From the side, the NX stands out with its muscular fenders and flowing character lines that sweep towards the rear. The coupe-like roofline lends a sporty feel without sacrificing practicality. Blacked-out mirrors and roof rails add a nice contrast, while large alloy wheels create a rugged, grounded look, perfect for city streets or weekend adventures. At the rear, the NX looks as modern as the front. Wide LED headlights with bold Lexus lettering stretch across the tailgate, providing a distinctive glow at night. A sculpted bumper and integrated exhaust finish the design with just the right amount of aggression. The car is sleek, stylish, and distinctly Lexus. Under the hood, Lexus offers a variety of engine options, including a 2.5-liter hybrid and a more powerful plug-in hybrid variant, NX 450h Plus. The hybrid engine produces around 240 horsepower, while the PHEV produces an impressive combined output of 302 horsepower, providing a range of up to 37 miles on pure electric power. Power delivery is smooth, quiet, and efficient, just what you'd expect from a Lexus. Whether driving on the highway or around tight city corners, the NX delivers elegant comfort with a touch of sportiness. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a driver-focused cockpit that emphasizes sophistication. The new NX interior blends premium materials, ambient lighting, and cutting-edge technology in perfect harmony. The centerpiece is a large 14-inch touchscreen that controls everything from navigation to climate control, supported by voice commands and wireless smartphone integration. A digital instrument panel, plush leather upholstery, and open-pore wood accents complete the cabin's elegant feel. Lexus has also enhanced insulation, so road noise is virtually non-existent, giving you a sense of serene luxury. As expected, the car is equipped with Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, which offers adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, and even proactive driver monitoring. This car is designed to think one step ahead, and that's luxury redefined. The 2026 Lexus NX is expected to start at $42,000 for the standard hybrid model, while the top-of-the-line plug-in hybrid reaches $58,000 depending on trim and options. The car is scheduled to hit dealerships in early 2026, and given its combination of style, technology, and hybrid efficiency, it's sure to be one of the best-selling luxury SUVs this year. So what do you think of the 2026 Lexus NX? Does its futuristic design and hybrid powertrain make it your next dream SUV? Share your thoughts in the comments, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for weekly car reviews and the latest automotive news.